everyone. I am going to introduce to you my very good friend, Emma.
Hi everyone. Sorry, I've never been on camera before. Her name's Emma. Sorry.
She's never been on the cam before.
Stop talking about that. Sorry, I have a little bit of a cold.
As you can tell, make sure it doesn't pass on to other YouTubers out there, Emma.
I hate you. And by the way, we're best friends, so if you want to be best friends, I'll be back. I need to go get some water. You can't be best friends. I need to go get some water.
So, that was Emma. She is so different from wildchics 1. And BTW, where the heck is wildchics 1? Because I cannot find her. And you can find all of our YouTube shows on here. Then just please tell me and Emma, for she's having a mental breakdown right now, Emma.
No, I am not.
It sounded like you were. Oh, don't knock at the water on the computer. Oh, I am going to speak Spanish.
No, she's horrible. She's horrible speaking at Spanish.
I am not listening to me. Me llamo wildchics 1. Yo vivo en Earth. Mi favorito siendo es invierno porque en invierno mi casa no hace frío, porque en el verano mi casa es mucho hace frío, porque mi madre me gusta la casa hace frío. No. Ella es mucho feo.
No! I am not fat.
Look at how bad you are at Spanish. Feo means ugly.
I know that.
Then why did you say that?
Because I'm 12 years old.
You are so not 12.
Fine, I'm 11.
You're not kind.
No, I'm 11, Dumbo.
And we want to make sure one thing. So, did you hear that? I can roll my tongue very good, right? And she cannot do that. That's what I said. Emma, you cannot do that. We'll just stop the cuffing. Now stop the Emma.
Sorry. I really need to get some rest, so
that was Emma. Goodbye. Adios.
love you. Watch the Wild Chicks. Wait, I just said Wild Chicks number 2 wanted me to say a little joke. Let me get this.
I am Wild Chicks number 1. You are Emma.
I know. Let me get this script that Wild Chicks number 2 wanted me to get. Oh, here's a joke. Wait a second. Why did the watermelon cross the chicken?
To get to the other side.
No, so the chicken could eat it. I really need to go get rest.
She's gonna go now. Goodbye.
I'm gonna call my mom.